welcome back, Scent Squad. Emerald C here with an IPSY unboxing and review. We're going to start by opening the bag. Now, if you're new here, I review tons of beauty products items, so feel free to hit that subscribe button. First up, we have that LOVE+CRAFT+BEAUTY makeup brush, and I love this. This is definitely 10 out of 10. Very soft. We have this cute little eye on the zipper portion of our bag. This bag is cute, by the way, for October. It comes with a pamphlet every single month, just giving you a rundown of what's in your bag and a little bit of what to expect in your next bag. Next up, we have our DEFIANCE Beauty. This is actually a bronzer powder. I give it a 9 out of 10. It's a little bit lighter for me than what I prefer. We also have this. Now, this is the No More Baggage Eye Gel by Dr. BRANDT. This is my favorite in the whole entire bag for the month of October. I just squeeze out a little bit. It's a little bit thicker. It dries very quickly. I tapped it on right underneath my eye, and immediately it felt like it was tightening around my eye in all the best ways. 10 out of 10 easily. Next up, we have the big Eye-Dea eyeliner. Now, this one was a little bit tough for me because usually I work with a thinner, longer precision eyeliner tip. This one was like short and fat. So it was a little bit difficult, and it doesn't give like those nice long strokes like I like, and it kept drying up quickly. I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10, but I will say it lasted longer, and I love the very dark shade of black it was. Last but not least, we have our OFRA, O-F-R-A, I hope I'm saying it right. The color here is wine, and what it is a lip liner. So this lip liner, I'm like, let me just go ahead and wipe off my lip gloss just so I can apply it correctly. I applied it and I realized this isn't my color. Could it be cute with a ombre combination? It could, but honestly, I prefer darker lip liner, something in very dark brown, chestnut, mocha, something like that. This didn't quite work for me, but I will say it glided on very well, and the color just wasn't it for me. But once I put on a lip gloss, I'm like, okay, this might work. 5 out of 10. Bag is empty, but we are actually gonna go in and see how this bronzer works because I didn't put it on earlier. I just dipped the brush that we got in this month's set in the powder and just went across my forehead. I honestly did under my cheekbones, like that jaw area, and down my nose, which you'll see shortly. It was okay. I like more of a dramatic look. Mind you, my face wasn't beat at all. Outside of my eyebrows and eyeliner, of course, lip gloss, and a little bit of eye pencil, I didn't have any like foundation, any primer, nothing like that on. It was just a fresh face. So I'm sure it would come together better if I had like a full face beat, but kind of in the middle about that one. If you like makeup reviews, fragrance reviews, or anything along those lines, I welcome you to join the Emerald C family and hit that subscribe button. Toodaloo.